You're listening to the Ask Drone U podcast. You ask, we answer your drone questions. Whether you're here to turn your passion into profit or you simply fly for fun, we're a community of learners and teachers who aspire to achieve greatness. We are
Drone U.
Hey everyone, and welcome to an exciting Black Friday show and a special from Ask Drone U. My name is Pablo, because that is the character that I take on when I go to the store. No one gets in my way. I make quick decisions, and people respect them.
My God. Now, as you can imagine, most of these things are unexpected. They come out of...
What gives you that idea?
They come out of...
Thin air?
Right field. Not even left field. Anyways, and I'm Rob, and it's good to be with you today. We're getting towards the end of this session, and it feels like it's feeling like that. But
it's not the end of the session, though, because today we have a really exciting show to explain. Look, it's Black Friday. Can you help yourself in any way? Can you buy things that are actually going to make you money? Because typically, for me, that's how I like to look at things. If I buy this, can I make money from it? So we're going to be telling you what specials are going on right now and how you can save and why those things may actually be valuable for you or your business.
Sounds great. Love to hear about it.
Okay, so first thing is first, DJI Black Friday Sale. There's a lot of different sales, and we're going to go over a couple different ones. So DJI Black Friday Sale. If you're wanting to learn coding, or if you want to get your kids into coding, or you're working in STEM education, the Tello is on sale. It's 34% off. By the way, you can find the link to the sale in the description of the show. Again, the Tello is 34% off.
So tell us a little bit more about the Tello. Why is it valuable? Why would somebody care about it?
I think the Tello is valuable because if you wanted to do presentations to impress clients, or you wanted to further understand how drones are really designed and how the coding works behind the drones, these drones are the smallest, most reliable drone that you could buy. Yes, it's a great training drone. It's a great drone for you to learn on, but it's also a great drone for you to manipulate and control the coding and be able to do really cool things with. So if you want to do a cool presentation and show drones flipping around each other and how much control you have over them and all these cool solutions you can do, it's a great sales tool. So it would be great for that. It's also great for the audience of your kids. If your kids are super excited about getting into drones, but you don't want to drop $1,000 only to find out that a week later your kid is no longer into drones, which would be shocking to me, but I know it does happen. The Tello is a great barrier to entry. So the Tello you could pick up for your kids. You could pick it up for your nerdy sales presenter at home, or your husband or your wife, whoever that may be, because gender doesn't really matter in that instance, as I've seen great drone pilots who are female and great drone pilots who are male. It makes no difference.
Absolutely not.
In fact, I think females may actually have an advantage over males. But anyway, also for sale, and I may have to pick one of these up for Sarah, Osmo Mobile 2 is on sale. You can save up to 14% off between November 15th and the 31st of December. Osmo Mobile 2, if you're familiar with the Osmo, this guy right here, this is one of the best tools ever to have in your videography or commercial production business. There's just so much value in these things, and I feel like I don't give them credence anymore because I'm constantly using my Ronin S now. But the Osmo Mobile 2 is really powerful because it allows you to use your phone. So if you can stabilize your phone, you can make quicker, easier to upload videos. Maybe even we should buy one of these. Quicker and easier to upload videos right from your phone. And you can utilize the Osmo tool. It's great, again, if you're traveling, if you just want buttery smooth footage, but you don't want to carry around a really expensive camera or gimbal. Osmo Mobile 2 will be awesome for you. I would just recommend having a battery backup for your phone because you will kill it in a few hours.
That's right. It's going to use it up a lot faster.
So click on the link below in order to save on the Osmo Mobile 2. Let me see if I can make a bit.ly for this really fast. Let me see if I'm just going to do it right on the show really fast. The Osmo Mobile 2, though, is also really powerful for those kids of yours that are also creators, right? Kids that are creators are truly able to utilize this to get smoother footage on the fly more easily. It's not going to cost you an arm and a leg. and truly, it's amazing. Okay. Oh, this is what I forgot I was going to say while I'm making this link. Did you know that an Osmo Mobile could actually be a really valuable tool for mappers?
How so?
Well, if you are ever having to create terrestrial imagery, right? Let's say that you're mapping in the East Coast where there's lots of trees, and maybe you're doing survey grade mapping, or you're doing plot surveys, or you're doing surveys where you need good facades of the buildings that you're doing them in. Well, while there are some rules to terrestrial grade footage to use in mapping, like having 20% of the land in the shot itself, the Osmo Mobile would be really powerful because your phone actually geotags the images that it takes. So even if I'm on a crash scene and I'm doing crash scene reconstruction, by having the Osmo Mobile and the phone, I can just simply go around the entire vehicle. My shots are always going to have a perfectly straight horizon line and will typically be taken at the same tilt. So you're going to get better data out of it. So if you want to save on an Osmo Mobile 2 today, just go to bit.ly/Osmo Mapper. So that's a bit.ly link. Remember, bit.ly/Osmo Mapper. Check it out.
Cool.
Also, the links are in the bottom of the show. Okay, continuing on, another sale. Supposedly, there is a sale with Pix4D coming up on Cyber Monday.
Nice.
I don't know any more about it. I'm just basing this off of what I saw last year with Pix4D.
Okay.
So if you're looking in to get Pix4D, we could see something Monday. We may not. I'm not really sure, but I would say look out for that.
Keep an eye out for that for sure.
Going back to DJI, if you're looking to buy a Mavic Pro Platinum, you can save $100 by buying it this Black Friday. The Mavic Pro Platinum is still a fantastic machine that you can travel with. It's also going to be really good for anyone who's trying to get into the drone market and they want a nice, beautiful, reliable drone that's going to help them really capture good footage at a lower price point. It's a really lower barrier to entry, but still a fantastic vehicle that is going to work wherever you need it to work.
So how can someone make money with that drone? What are some ideas for how to do that?
And that's a great drone for real estate.
Yeah.
I mean, just hands down, great drone for real estate.
Seen some beautiful footage, even from some of your stuff in Puerto Rico.
I know,
Those some
gosh, the
beautiful stuff
codec on
using
that really made the footage amazing. Actually, in fact, I'm thinking about that now. If you want a Mavic Pro Platinum and $100 off, just go to bit.ly/Mavic Pro Sale. So that's bit.ly/Mavic Pro Sale. All right, last but certainly not least is a Black Friday coupon for up to 30% off, which will be linked in our show notes. If you are looking for Black Friday sales, another couple things that I'm looking out for, I want to get those new Polar Pro filters for my Mavic 2 Pro. I'll be on the prowl for that on Amazon. I'll also be on the prowl for a couple other items like this monopod that I bought last year that was amazing. So I'm going to be on the lookout for that as well. But guys, when you're buying things for Black Friday, make sure you ask yourself, how can I make money with this? And then actually calculate it. What's the frequency there and that you could actually make money from it? Utilize your money in a smart way. Don't waste it. And enjoy Black Friday. And that's going to do it for the show. According to Rob, my name is Paul. Thanks again for watching another beautiful episode of Ask Drone U. I guess it wasn't my energy that waned this time.